In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a receipt on Yardbook. Now, the first thing you want to do here inside your dashboard, you want to go to Invoices on the left-hand side. And then inside Invoices, you want to click on plus invoice over here, and this will basically create a new invoice, okay? So here, I'm going to just open up one of these new ones over here. I have some info blurred over here, although it's all made up because I had to make something up to basically be able to show you. So this is all just some random data. And then here it says select a customer. You'll have to select your customer. I'm just going to select this one over here. And there we go. It's going to basically fill it in. Again, this is just something random. And then as you can see here, you can then add in an item, which is product or service. And for example, I'm just going to go ahead and do grass cutting over here. I'm going to add one over here. And there we go. It's been added to the list here. And then basically you can customize this. As you can see, you can add on notes and attachments if you want to. You can go ahead and add on actions over here, etc. And this is basically how you can go ahead and then save it or print it up here and create your receipt here. And then that's how to do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.